Today we have a 1970 real RoadRunner 383 V8 number matching with a pistol grip 4-speed project. This car runs and drives. This car has been signed in person by Richard Petty. Car needs cosmetic restoration, comes with lots of new parts such as a full floor pan, rocker panels, frame rails, crossmember, and one rear quarter skin. Four-speed Mopars are becoming hard to find. This one has all new metal for the underside and take it as far as you want. It runs and drives the way it is. It also has the correct VIN number, stamped on the radiator support, and was an original black-on-black car.